What is up again, YouTube? Got some exciting news today. I just got in my mail a new camera. It's not a video camera, it's not a cinema camera. It is a Canon camera. Yes, it's a Canon EOS or Canon EOS RP, and I'm really excited. This is it here. Just got it and I'm really excited to unbox this, so let's go. Okay, so I already took the liberty of scratching out my name because you do not need to know where I live, but this is the Canon EOS RP. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And here we are. Nothing special about the box. Now, I'll show it this way. It says Canon EOS RP. Get that way. And let's go ahead and dive in. First things first, you got a Canon warranty here. Thank you for purchasing this Canon product. You got some literature, and to be honest, I don't ever read literature unless it's like really confusing. Pop right up. Here we got the battery. Let's open this bad boy up. This looks like a LPE17, so it's a little bit smaller than your normal Canon battery. Check that out there. It's not in focus, but it's 7.2 volts LPE17. From what I'm hearing, these they don't last too long. I forgot what it was. What was it? 300 shots or something like that. 250, 300 shots. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, they're really small compared to the other Canon's batteries that I use. Just on the side there. Then here we got our charger. Not wasteful at all. Basic wall charger. You plug it in and then plug it into the wall there. Plastic build, not very. I mean, it's a Canon charger. Those of you who have Canons, you know what these are. Look like. And we got a Canon strap here. This is actually the first strap for a camera that I've ever gotten. And of course, this has to be Canon. There it says the EOS RP. See that? Pretty firm. I'm sure people who have Canon cameras have a bunch of these just laying around. This is my very first camera strap. Boom, Canon. And this is what we're here for here. This is the shell. This is the Canon EOS RP. Look at that. Isn't that something? It's very feels like a plastic build. You got your rubber grip here, but it feels relatively heavy. You can tell it's like when you pick it up, you know it's a Canon camera. There it says on the top EOS RP. You got your dial here, and it's not a LED screen like the EOS R. And my hands are kind of big, but you can kind of see how the size here. This one's actually, I believe this one's actually a little bit taller or smaller. No, I'm sorry. This one's a little bit smaller than the Canon EOS R. But there's a grip, or not a grip, a extension that you can put underneath here. So you kind of see how your pinky there kind of just off the bottom. There's an extension that you can add that gives you that extra at the bottom there. So you can have that extra firm grip. But this is it. This is the Canon EOS RP. You got the articulating screen, beautiful screen for vloggers, or if you want to just different angles, shooting different angles and stuff like that. Articulating screen, that's there. Actually, No, I don't have it. So yeah, there's your Canon EOS RP. Got a 1-inch sensor. Open it up. See the sensor inside there. Beautiful sensor. Light right there. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. And then actually, this is a EOS mount. For those of you not familiar, Canon has several different mounting options. Yeah, I can't get this thing on. So I already have EF mount. Well, I have a Sigma 18 to 35 mil, and that is actually an EF mount. So you have to have an adapter. It's a EF to EOS R adapter, and this is what it looks like here. I didn't do an unboxing of this because it's just an adapter, but this one here is actually brand new. Well, obviously it's brand new, but this is actually one of the newer models here that has a control ring. You see there? So what this does is it allows you to program the control ring to anything, like, you can do your ISO, you can do your anything you can think of, your ISO, your exposure, your stops, and whatever. So basically this allows you to connect your EF mounts to the EOS cameras. So basically you just, I'll show you real quick what that is. You unscrew it there, here, and then you just you line it up, head with thread, screw that bad boy on, boom. Now you just take your EF mount and then your EF lens, and then you just attach it on as normal, and then you can use your control ring for whatever you set it to. So basically, since I only have EF lenses, my control ring really won't come off one. But yeah, there you are. There's your EOS RP. Isn't she beautiful? Just take a look at that. I can actually show you. I have a Canon. This is a 50 mil 1.8. So this is an EF mount. So basically, you take it off and then you line up the dots, and boom, there you go. So I got an EF mount with a EF to EOS adapter, and then this is what she looks like. So with the 50 mil lens on it, it's really not that heavy. You can kind of see how this would be a lot easier to carry around. Real simple. You get your strap on. It's very light. It's almost maybe a little over a pound. It's like, compared to my Blackmagic camera when it's all rigged up, this would be so much easier to bring around. So this is it. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, I'll let you guys know. Probably I'll do a review here in a week or two. But this is it here. Enjoy. This here is the little sister to the Canon EOS R. There are a bunch of differences in the two cameras. Most of them internal. But I'll be doing a review on the camera after I get to use it, because I have never used a Canon camera before, so I can't really compare anything right now because I've never used one. So I'm going to use this for about a week, maybe 2 weeks, and then I'll post another video here shortly, just to kind of let you guys know how I feel about it, and how it works for me. But I'm really excited. I'm really excited to get out there and use this. I've seen so many great photos of this bad boy, and I really want to try out the video as well. So as always, thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if there's any certain settings, any particular settings I should change, or what I should try, what I shouldn't do. Let me know down in the comments, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks. Can't even turn it on. Oh, change battery pack.